But with every we've heard his arguments. Now we've seen
UK tabloid apologises to Prince Harry on first day of new phone hacking trial. The publisher of UK tabloid The Daily Mirror has apologised to Prince Harry for using unlawful methods to gather information about his private life. In court documents published Wednesday on the first day of a phone hacking trial, Mirror Group newspapers, which is now owned by Reach, said it unreservedly apologises and accepts that Harry is entitled to appropriate compensation for one instance of unlawful information gathering nearly 20 years ago.
He says the
He's also pursuing cases separately against the Daily Mirror.
Harry claims a year later his father it stands for becomes a laughingstock.
The incident involved a private investigator who was paid £75, $95 in 2004 by the Sunday People, a tabloid owned by the same group, to gather information about the Duke of Sussex while at a London nightclub. Mirror Group newspapers does not know what information this related to, although it clearly had some connection with his conduct at the nightclub, the publisher said, admitting that the payment represented an instruction to engage in unlawful information gathering. The Duke of Sussex and 3 other claimants representing dozens of celebrities are suing Mirror Group newspapers, accusing its titles of obtaining private information by phone hacking and through other illicit means, including private investigators, between 1991 and 2011.
Harry claims a year later his father it stands for becomes a laughingstock.
A milestone here in this case, but it doesn't end the matter.
Mirror Group newspapers is contesting most of the allegations, arguing in its court filings that some claims have been brought too late and that in all 4 cases there is insufficient evidence of phone hacking. The case against the newspaper publisher is one of several lawsuits filed by Harry and his wife, Meghan, in their long-running battle with British tabloids, which they have accused of breaches of privacy and publishing false stories. The pair has filed at least 7 lawsuits against British and US media organizations since 2019, including Rupert Murdoch's News Group newspapers, according to Reuters. News Group newspapers publishes The Sun and used to produce News of the World, which was shut down in 2011 over its own phone hacking scandal.
Harry claims a year later his father it stands for becomes a laughingstock.
A milestone here in this case, but it doesn't end the matter.
On Wednesday, Harry's lawyer, David Sherburn, said his claim against Mirror Group newspapers, which covers incidences from 1995 to 2011, is significant not just in terms of time span but in the range of activity it covers. Harry was subject to the most intrusive methods of obtaining personal information, Sherburn said, arguing that no one should be subjected to that. The unlawful methods were habitual and widespread among journalists and editors, Sherburn added. That's how we present this content. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. For the support of our viewers, thank you.
There's been no response. He says the
He's also pursuing cases separately against the Daily Mirror.
Harry claims a year later his father